Hello guys, welcome back to Tronics Energy. We are back and we are still making the digital clock circuit. I know you already can see some little bit of changes and yeah. So what we have changed, okay, let me just start from the top, going down step by step for you to understand what we have added. Yes, and the quick fixes that we have also added. Now, we start here from the seconds generator, which is an NE555 connected in A stable mode. The NE555 output goes to 4026. Now, in our previous videos, the 555 timer was driving a 4017 display or decade counter. Now, from this video and henceforth, it's going to be driving a 4026 7-segment display driver. So that means that from the NE555, you can see this white jumper goes to the clock input of this IC 4026, which is going to drive this 7-segment display. Yes. Now, the 7-segment display right here. So the 7-segment display will be showing seconds. Rather than in our previous videos, we were using LEDs to show seconds. Now we are going to use display 7-segment display to show seconds. Yeah. Now, in our previous video, also from the 4017, it drove another 4017. Now I've not changed this. This is still there, which is this one 4017. But the trick part is that the 4017, once it entered the, or once it set the 10th LED or the 10th output, it acted as the clock of the next 4017. But since we are using a 4026 right now, we want to detect number 0, which is going to act as the 10th LED, or yeah, number 0, which is going to drive the same IC 4017. Now this is not easy. It's actually not that easy, because we want to detect number 0 from the 7-segment display without putting the error triggers here to this integrated circuit. So I've made a logic which is going to detect 0 has been reached by this driver, and the logic looks like this. Let me just show you. So let me just show you how the logic looks like. Okay, so here we have the 7-segment display. This is a 7-segment display, and the logic looks like this. So from the 7-segment display of the seconds, we have logic which is containing an AND gate and a NOT gate. So the AND gate inputs will be F, E, C, and not G. So once this one has been reached, it means that 0 has been detected, which is going to give a 1 output, because for an AND gate, all inputs have to be on for it to give an output. So this one cuts all the numbers from 1 to 9, and once it reaches number 0, it's going to give an output. So that output enters, comes and goes all the way to so this is just a buffer, just a buffer, pass through a buffer, then goes to the clock input of the 4017. So yeah, let me just show you what I mean. Okay, it's at pause, that's why you can see the breathing light which we made in our previous video. Let me just resume it. Yes, so right now the clock is functioning, and once it reaches 0, I want you to see what happens. You can see once it reaches 0, it drives this driver to the next, the output to the next output. Yes, let's just see that again. Yes, you can see once it detects 0, this is the AND gate, which is the logic. Once it detects 0, it gives an output to drive this 4017. So that's basically what we have added. This is still the same from the driver. From this 4017, the last LED drives this to the next bit. Yes, so we can just wait for this to reach the last one for you to see the driver moving to the next. Yes, now it's at 1 minute down. Yes, so this one still counts minutes, and I've also added a red LED right here. I know you're asking why, because the D LED, D, you can see the D, this is the D LED inside the 7-segment display is not functioning. So I added a red LED on the bottom just to act as it should be working when it's normal. This is a simple fix until I buy another driver. Until I buy another display, because this one is faulty. Yes, so that's basically why the red LED, or the red LED is at that point, but it still functions the same. Once if it should be off, it will be off. It should be, if it should be on, then it's going to turn on. Yes, so yeah, so that's the circuit. I hope you have understood what we have added and how the logic of the circuit operates. Yes, so right now at number 2, because this D LED right here on the bottom should be on, the red LED will be on its behalf, because this one is not functioning. Yes, so yeah, so thank you very much guys for watching. If you have any suggestions, any comments, you can just add them. Yeah, and I will be glad to answer you. So thank you very much guys for watching. Please subscribe to Tronics Energy, and I hope to see you next time. Goodbye.